Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Emily Martins here, and today I am showing you two different looks. One is the look I have on right now, which is just a bright pop of color on the bottom lash line, and then the other look is going to be a lavender wash of color all across the lid. If you were here last week, you saw that I posted a video about putting a pop of color on your inner corner, and I used a bright pink, and so today is just adding on to that series with more ways to wear bright color in a more wearable, everyday type of feel. So if you want to learn how to create these looks, then go ahead and keep watching. Today I'm using the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star, and the first look I actually posted on my Instagram, and it's just a fun purple all over, just wash of color. So first I'm gonna jump into Brain Freeze by Jeffree Star, and it's actually a blue color, but the reason I'm using that first is because of the fact that it has a lot of white in it, so that's gonna be a good base for that purple to reflect off of. The first tip that I'll tell you is to go ahead and right where I'm sweeping, just in the crease area, go ahead and put like a neutral soft brown down and have that go up just above your crease, because what that's going to do is that's going to give something for that bright color to blend into. So I'm going to go in first with my blue color here, and I'm just going to pat that on, and essentially you wouldn't have mascara on or anything like I do right now. So I'm just going to pat that on, and then I'm going to slowly work that up higher and higher. You can bring this up as high as you want with more of the softness blending in the outer corner. So you can see I've just done a light wash of that. I'm gonna go on the other side, gently pressing onto the lid and then blending it. This doesn't have to be perfect because we kind of just want a soft, diffuse color. So you can see how far I'm blending that out and kind of bringing it this way, and it's up to your own comfort zone. Remember, if you have hooded eyes, you'll need to go higher in order to see it to begin with. And if you don't have hooded eyes like me, you can go as far up as you want. It really just depends on the kind of look you're going for. For me, I like kind of a blown out, soft appearance. So I'll even bring that in the inner corner. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Gumdrop, which is this beautiful purple, and you're just gonna lay that over top. So see how you can't really see the blue anymore, but it just helps make that purple stand out. Just placing it on. If you wanted this really pigmented, you could spray your brush down. However, you won't get kind of that diffused, powdery look that I really like with this. So once you have the color essentially just placed onto your lid, what you'll want to do is take just a fluffier brush that's dirty because I used it yesterday, but you're just gonna go in and bring that purple up on top of the blue into the crease and just kind of blend that out. And it's up to you how far you want to bring it out, but doing something like this, I think kind of having a blown out, really soft appearance just adds to the whole look. And I kind of go back and forth between my stiffer brush and my fluffier brush just to get the color payoff that I want. Then I'm gonna go in with that original brown color that I did in my crease, and I'm just gonna go along the bottom lash line. It'll just soften the overall appearance of it, and you could even take that same brush and just go back over the edges. With this look, it really is all about just blend, blend, blend. I'm gonna go in with some mascara now. Something else I like to do with these types of looks is I'll take a white liner and I'll just go right on the lash line on the bottom, right in the waterline. And it just seems to make it kind of pop a little bit more. So I kept the rest of my face pretty simple, but as far as lips go for this look, I definitely think you could go all out and go crazy with it. I personally though today am just gonna do a nude lip. Here is the completed look of the purple, and you could really just interchange this with really any color. I think it'd be fun to do a pink like this, or even like a navy blue would be like, if you want to do like a crazy dramatic smoky eye, it'd be a lot of fun. So this is just kind of my take on a fun wash of color. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my eye makeup right now, and then I'll be back to you guys to show you how to use like a fun bold color for your eyeliner. Sorry if the lighting seems different, it's been about an hour now. I have taken off the purple makeup. Sorry if you can see any of it, I didn't want to redo my entire face. But now a really fun way to incorporate a bright color into into your makeup look without going too crazy or over the top or just feeling like it's too much is to do a pop of color on your liner. So you can either do, I think it's fun to do like a really sharp graphic liner on the top, almost like picture a black winged liner but with like a neon color instead. That's super fun. Another option I'm going to show you actually right now is going to be when you do more of a natural eye look, and then on your bottom lash line is where you kind of change it up and add some fun color. First thing I'm going to do is just go into a soft just crease color, and I'm just going to gently place that into my outer corner. You just want something really soft. You really could do whatever you want for this. This is just what I'm gonna actually do. So I'm just gonna do something really soft in these outer corners. And I'm gonna go into the Jawbreaker palette in Tasty, which is like a dark brown color. And I'm just going to put that in my outer crease area just to darken it up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go on my lid with a lighter color. Go back into my fluffy brush and just blend, blend, blend. So just your really basic overall eye look. Like I said, for this you can pretty much do whatever you want up until this point. Now what I'm gonna do is, thought about doing a blue, but I think green. I haven't used this color Sour yet in the Jeffree Star palette. It's this green color, so might as well just dig into that today. The first thing I'm gonna do is take just a small little brush, and I'm actually gonna go into the color Virgin, which is just like a bone color, and I'm gonna first place that, just pressing it on wherever I want that green color to go. I just think it'd be fun to kind of smudge it right along my lash color or my lash line. So by going in with the white first, it gives something for that green to pop off of versus your own skin tone. So now I'm gonna go in with that color Sour, just that green. And I'm first gonna lay it down without spraying my brush at all because I just wanna see how pigmented that is. If you had a green eyeliner or something, I would definitely recommend using that first, just like we did with the white, just to add some more pigmentation in there. Ooh, I am really liking that. I'm gonna go into my lash line or into the waterline, and I'm going to just place that right on the waterline. Again, if you have a liner, use that first because it'll give something for your shadow to kind of stick to. Now I'm gonna go in just because I want to see what it'll look like. I'm gonna take my spray and I'm gonna get my brush damp, and I'm gonna go back into that green color, start in this outer part, and I'm just gonna stamp because I want to see how that looks when it's damp. Ooh, yeah, this is fun. Lastly, I'm gonna go in with a highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner. Now with lip color, it's up to you. You could use a nude lip just like I did previously for the lavender look, but I think I want to go in with like a red or a pink color because I just think, I don't know, watermelon vibes a little bit. I think that might be it. So I'm gonna go with Strawberry Crush and see how I feel about that. Before I do my lips, I'm actually gonna go in some fresh mascara, coat of mascara on the bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with Strawberry Crush from Jeffree Star, because I think these colors together go bomb. So there it is with the lipstick on there. Let me sort out this hair. This is the completed second look. I think it's super fun with the use of green. You could definitely throw on a pair of lashes if you wanted to really like just make this even more dramatic, but I think it's fun just to add a little bit of pop of color and also to play around with whatever lipstick color that you pair with it. I just think that these really work well together. They work good with my skin tone and my eye color, and I don't know, they just have that watermelon vibe, I guess. Just something super easy that you can just add into your normal makeup routine when you're wanting to spice it up a little bit. All right guys, so that is it. Thanks so much for your time today in watching this video. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also could you do me a favor and send this video to somebody who you think would enjoy it. Thanks again. I hope you guys have a great day. Stay well, be safe. Bye.